In the infinite silence of the cosmos, Voyager 1 drifts alone, further than any human creation has ever traveled. It is a sentinel of stardust, a whisper from Earth now echoing through the eternal dark. Beyond the reach of the sun's warm breath, Voyager sails into a realm where time seems to stretch and bend, where light takes years to arrive. Each pulse of its faint signal carries with it a message, encrypted in science but laced with soul. A message crafted by minds that dared to dream beyond the boundaries of their sky. And then, in the midst of nothingness, something unexpected happens. A transmission, unlike any before, whispers back. Its structure is unlike anything previously encountered, neither interference nor static, but patterned, deliberate. A rhythm not born of stars or quasars, but of intention. The signal is faint, yet strangely harmonious, echoing a complexity that feels thoughtful. NASA engineers gather in hushed awe. What was once thought to be a technical anomaly now begins to defy all known parameters. Voyager's instruments, long past their prime, have detected a sequence, a mathematical elegance embedded in electromagnetic waves. Prime numbers, golden ratios, fractal geometries. It's as if nature itself, or something beyond it, is trying to speak. The signal intensifies. Not in volume, but in clarity. And within it, an audio pattern is discovered. Converted from data to sound, the message forms a melody, subtle, haunting, eerily familiar. It mirrors the tonal structure of Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata. But it's not the same. There are notes that don't belong to Earth. Tones that seem to belong to an unknown scale, a different physics of music. The golden record aboard Voyager had carried our greetings to the stars. Now, it seems, the stars, or something beyond them, have replied. SETI scrambles to confirm. Telescopes align. A flurry of analysis begins around the globe. But the response is only heard by Voyager. No other instrument on or near Earth detects it. It's as if the message is meant only for the spacecraft, the lone emissary now wandering the cosmic shores. What if Voyager is no longer alone? What if, in the vast silence between galaxies, it has found something, or something has found it? The message is decoded further, and a new shock unfolds. An image, rendered from electromagnetic modulations, appears. Not one, but many. A sequence of abstract geometrical shapes that slowly morph into what can only be described as stellar maps, positions of stars not yet catalogued by humanity. Some formations are familiar, others do not exist in our known cosmos. Or not yet? Theoretical physicists propose the unthinkable. This may be a map not of space, but of space-time. A chart from another dimension, folded into patterns our limited instruments barely grasp. Among the diagrams is a spiral of symbols. Mathematics, but more elegant than we know. Equations that hint at a unification of gravity and quantum mechanics, long sought by our species. Could this be a theory of everything? Gifted from the void. Michio Kaku comments, if this message is real, it's the most important scientific discovery in the history of mankind. A temporal signature. But it isn't from now. It is from far ahead. Centuries into the future. Thousands of years. As if Voyager has seen what we cannot. As if it exists in a time we have not yet lived. Accompanying it is a binary string. A chain of numbers, simple yet vast. Coordinates. But they don't correspond to any known object in the sky. They don't lie within our galaxy. They lie somewhere far beyond the reach of our maps. A place that, by all human reckoning, does not exist. Yet Voyager points to it. And then? Something else. The final transmission. A frame of data. Just one. A visual? Rendered from radio code. Brought to life pixel by pixel. A planet emerges. Not like Earth, but not entirely unlike it either. Blue oceans swirl in emerald spirals. Cloud formations loop in fractal geometries no satellite on Earth has ever seen. Rings of mist shimmer with iridescent halos. It is alien. And beautiful. Then, a shadow. On the horizon, just at the edge of light. A silhouette. Familiar. Too familiar. It is Voyager. But not the Voyager that left us. This one is different. Larger. Sleeker. Reinforced with materials no earthly alloy can replicate. Its golden dish is replaced with something darker, organic, almost alive. Lights flicker along its hull in patterns like breath. It looks reborn. Not damaged or aged, but evolved. As if it has been rebuilt. Transformed? Modified by something, or someone, who understood it better than we did. In that moment, humanity stares into the abyss. And the abyss stares back, not with malice, but with mystery. In silence, the message settles into us. Not through words, but through presence. The scientists fall still. No data to analyze. No readings to explain what they see. Only awe. Only questions. And one question above all begins to echo across every corner of our world: did we send out a message to the stars? Or did the stars send a message through us? Did Voyager become a messenger, or a mirror? A reflection of our need to reach beyond, to discover, to connect. Voyager's journey no longer feels linear. It is not merely outward, it is inward. Into the soul of human curiosity. Into the depths of cosmic silence, where questions become the answer. Where wonder is the only language spoken. It sails now not just through the void, but through the threshold of meaning itself. And somewhere, out there, in a place our minds can barely imagine, it continues. Not as a machine, but as a legend. A whisper? A bridge between what we are, and what we are destined